Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you step by step how you can buy Sanshu Inu token. So this will be a very easy tutorial. The first thing you want to do, go to CoinMarketCap, find Sanshu Inu, and this is how it looks. Here you can see some information. So I'm going to show you exactly step by step how to buy it. The first step is go to metamask.io. You want to install the MetaMask extension on your browser. So you can do this on Chrome, Firefox, Brave, Edge. Just hit install, and then once it's installed, go to the top right to extensions and find MetaMask. Then log into your account, create an account, and go to the networks at the top. Make sure you're on the Ethereum mainnet, and it will look like this with Ethereum. So in order to buy the Sanshu Inu, we first have to deposit some Ethereum into this wallet, and then later transfer it, basically swap it to the Sanshu Inu tokens. So that's what we're going to do first. First, add some Ethereum. So for that, we are going to be using Coinbase. So if you don't have a Coinbase account yet, go ahead and create your account through the link in the description, and you get a $10 Bitcoin bonus. And once you've created your account, add some funds to it, buy some Ethereum, and now we're going to send it to our MetaMask wallet. So hit send and receive. Okay, then you want to go to pay with and select Ethereum. So type in Ethereum right here, and then select the balance, for example 10 or $100. And now we are going to send it to the address on MetaMask. Go to the extensions, MetaMask, copy your account, paste it in here, and then you can see it says Ethereum address. This is right. Hit continue, and once you hit continue, it will be deposited within seconds to your wallet on MetaMask. So once the number comes up here, also in USD, then you're good to go, and we can go ahead and change this or transfer it to Sanshu Inu. For that, we have to go to a website called uniswap.org. This is how it looks. Go to use Uniswap, the pink button, and then connect your wallet. So mine is already connected, but you just want to hit MetaMask, then connect it. And that's everything. Now you want to change from Ethereum to Sanshu Inu. So type in Sanshu, here it is, import, and boom. Enter in the amount. So for example, 1 Ethereum, hit click to trade with V2, that's important, and here you can buy it. If this video helped you out, please leave a like, please subscribe, and see you next time.